We're talking about the benefits of and the barriers to empowering your team. What I want to talk about today is the benefit of the ability that your team then has to solve problems or answer questions or deal with situations without you as the leader. If you don't empower your team, then every time there's a situation, a problem, a question, they're going to go to you and you have to be the one to solve it. But hey, you're a human being. You might get sick, might be unavailable, might be in a meeting, might be working on something else. And so if you empower your team, you're giving them the ability to say, hey, we think we can figure this out without the leader necessarily having to solve it for us. And how awesome is that as a leader, you get to step away from time to time and not have to worry that the department or your team is going to fall apart because you're not there. So this is a pretty big benefit because in a lot of teams, the leaders feel they need to be there and they actually end up becoming a bit of a crutch. As a leader, when you empower your team, what you're going to see is that your team's going to have your back, which is going to cause you as a leader to feel a lot more confident in their abilities. Now go lead.